Welcome to Ipsy, where everything is $10 a month with free shipping. You get a bag, and it's a bag every month, a different kind of bag, and you get a few selected makeup samples. Let's get started. The first thing that I got was this makeup brush. And this makeup brush says firmabeauty.com, and it's a really big brush, and it's really soft. The next items that I got was this. This is a Hey Honey Come Clean. It's a don't quote me wrong. It's a propolis, Propolis, and mineral facial scrub. It has propolis and vitamin E enriched, and it's for all skin types. The next one that I got was this Hanalei, Hanalei lip treatment in Mojave Pink, and it's made in USA from Hawaii. And then the next item that I got was this The Professional Pore Primer, Smoothing Face Primer to minimize the look of pores. And it's from the brand called Benefit. And it looks like this. It's like a little tiny bottle, and it says Perfection Accomplished. And the next one that I got, which was really cool, was this Pacifica Tomboy Vibe Natural Mineral Eyeshadow. It is 100% vegan, cruelty-free. And it has the colors Tomboy, 1970, Pretty Vacant, Schooled, and Rebel. Every true beauty knows it's what's on the inside that matters. And if I can push it out, let me see. If I could push it out all the way to show you the colors, it looks like this. It comes in a compact, and as you can see, here's the colors. It goes like this. The first one here is Tomboy. The second one is 1970. The third one is Pretty Vacant. The fourth one is School. And the fifth one is Rebel. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and give it a smashing thumbs up. And I'll put the link down below if you're interested in checking out Ipsy. And it's $10 a month with free shipping. Thank you.